To test divisibility by 6, we have two criteria. First, the number should be even. Second, the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, which means the criteria is the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Let's have a little side note again of the multiples of 3. Then our first example, we have 381. 381 is an odd number because it ends in 1. Since it did not fit our first criteria, we don't need to proceed to our second test because we are certain that 381 is not divisible by 6. Next, we have 6,414. First, we check if the number is even. The number ends in 4 and 4 is an even number, which means it is an even number. For our second test, we add the digits and check if it is divisible by 3. We add 6 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 15. And we know that 15 is divisible by 3. But we can still go on. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 is divisible by 3, which means that 6,414 passed those two tests, and it is divisible by 6. Our last example is 212. 212 is an even number because it ends in 2, which means it passed the first test. For the second test, it should be divisible by 3. To check if a number is divisible by 3, we add all the digits. 2 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 5. And 5 is not divisible by 3, which means it didn't pass the second test. And 212 is not divisible by 6.